DJ Envy. Now, shout out to Real Estate Heat TV. They got the hottest new real estate channel. Shout out to my man, real estate coach Anthony Leggins and coach Armond Wright. They bring the heat with the latest strategies and techniques to take you to the next level. So make sure you subscribe now, right? Salute.
Welcome to the Real Estate Heat, the hottest real estate channel in the industry. This show is about how to get rich quick. You see my mask here? It's these cats trying to get rich quick. They trying to come up. All right, that's not what this is about. How to get rich quick. Is it possible? So many shows, so many programs, they talk about this is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're looking to get rich quick, don't turn into the program. What I want to say, just because you have not got rich quick, or you don't know of anyone that got rich quick, don't put that barrier in your mind. Free your mind. As you know, it's all about mindset. I want you to set your mind up for you to make money as soon as possible. As soon as you get the information, take massive action, right? And as far as getting rich quick, that's a relative time, relative term, whatever that means to you. But I don't want you to set barriers and say that, hey, I'm not gonna make no money today. This is not gonna make me no money in a week. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you to set those type of barriers in your mind. So I want you to just come to the game with just a blank canvas. Free your mind, you know what I mean? And just focus in on the techniques, the strategies at hand, so you can start making money. Let me give you an example. I started in this program. I have mentors as well. So I started this program. I started mid-May, and it was a gentleman that started along with me. He started at the beginning of May, right? So I started mid-May. So he had, 15, 16 days on me, you know what I mean? And I was working a full-time job at the time when I started, and he was doing it full-time. But still, there's no excuses, right? So once I started the program, right, it was about doing business consulting, flipping businesses and whatnot. So I started the program like I typically do when I approach something new. I get all the information, lay it out, organized fashion, attack it, study it, it was, quite a bit of information. And so after 30 days went by, I'm not really paying attention to what other people are doing as far as their success and whatnot. I'm just focusing on my own. I'm trying to get the bag. I'm trying to get my bag. I'm not, really worried about what other folks are doing. But I found it very challenging. I struggled, putting it in place. So after month 2, we had like a conference call to kind of talk about the results and whatnot. And I was just, discussing some of the challenges. Now, mind you, I'm doing this, I guess you could say a part-time basis or whatever. I'm doing it as a part-time basis while I'm doing my other thing, you know what I mean? And this gentleman's hitting it, full time, you know what I mean? So after month 2, I'm at 0 because my mindset, right? I'm at 0. I'm looking at this thing like it's this tough, it's challenging. I'm trying to study, and remember all these different techniques and strategies and whatnot. This gentleman had the mindset of implementation, right? So at month 2, I'm at 0. This cat was at 200,000 for the month. Serious cash. So immediately, I'm buckling down, I'm doubling down on what I'm doing, trying to get things to flow, So here we go. We coming up month 4. This is several years ago. Say month 4. I'm still at 0. I mean, we talking about acquiring companies, right? I mean, I approached several companies. Several. There was dentist offices, plumbers, plumbing companies. And this was back, when times was pretty challenged, but still no excuses though, because you got one gentleman over here blowing up, and I'm over here with all these different challenges, right? So after 4 months, my guy is up to like 400,000. You know what I mean? Blowing it way back, flowing it way back. You know what I mean? I'm still going through my thing, studying and implementing a little bit, but studying, not really taking that massive action. Man, so we into this thing, I'll say it was probably about 6-7 months. And by the end, I got a little traction, make a little money, you know what I mean? Make a little money. I think I was up to like about 7,000 to 8,000 for the month. Nothing really to write home about. And I make a little traction because you got that little momentum going. You make a little money, getting a little momentum going. Now, this guy from day one took massive action, like what I'm recommending you guys to do, take massive action. Day one, my man up to 900,000, you know what I mean? $900,000, you know what I'm saying? And that's an example of someone that's taking massive action than someone that's kind of thinking about it. I mean, that kind of show a little negative light on me. I went through that. So I don't want you guys to go through what I went through, in order to get to the bag. I want you guys to pick up what I'm putting down, take massive action on this stuff. Now, if you're interested in learning this real estate game, man, give me a call, 765-400-2768. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Click the link down in the bio. And hey, if you're seeing this video, no matter what time it is, what day it is, man, punch in those digits. Take massive action. If you're serious about success for you, for your family, if you want to make a difference, man, give me a call. Let's see if we can put something together, see if we're a good fit, so we can help you secure the bag. Till next time.
There's a YouTube channel you will want to subscribe to, Real Estate Heat TV. Real Estate Heat TV is destined to be the hottest new real estate channel around. They provide original content and shows in an innovative, creative, entertaining, and educating way. The concept is to provide a supreme platform for other real estate related channels and businesses to promote their respective businesses while providing the heat by sharing their knowledge, wisdom, and their expertise. Coaches Armond and Anthony bring the latest heat from the streets in the real estate industry, covering a broad and diverse range of topics, all geared towards helping you gain entry and have sustainable success in real estate. Real Estate Heat TV, the hottest new real estate channel. Check it out online at realestateheat.tv or on YouTube at Real Estate Heat TV. Share the channel on all of your social media so your friends can subscribe too. What are you waiting for? realestateheat.tv and Real Estate Heat TV on YouTube. Subscribe now.